Hi guys, today I will be unpacking and testing this Dewalt 90-degree attachment. So this one is impact ready and saying here a 10 times longer life. Okay, so it's compatible with different accessories. So screwdriver bits, drill bits, nut driver, and also, and this one I'm not sure how to hold this one, for the wood drill. So this one is sealed and I need to cut the plastic casing. So let's see. Yeah, now it's open. Need to cut some more. Now I have access to the tool. Okay. So as you can see at the end, it's like compatible with the impact drill. Then once you turn this one, then this one is turning as well. So I'll try to install the impact drill. So here is my impact drill. So to install it, so this one out, push in. Now it's there. It's connected. Maybe I can put some bits. And try the screwdriver bit. So it is magnetic. You can see. And to remove it, just pull out. I will try a small one. I think the problem here is you can use this one, but this one is too short. Will be pushed in. Yeah, so you cannot use the short one. So now I have a problem removing that one. Just a moment. Okay, now I need to try to remove with this needle nose plier. So I have a rusty needle nose plier. Yeah, now it's removed. So make sure that you don't use this type of bits too short. It should be something like this. Okay, or otherwise I have here an attachment as well. So if you want to use this short one, so you can use the attachment first, then you can use this one. Oops. Yep. Okay, so to remove this one, like this. So it's very useful if you have a very tight space. Then this whole thing cannot be placed in. So this one you can use the 90-degree attachment. So again, this is a Dewalt 90-degree attachment. Thank you for watching.